start. What? Oh no. What did we just do? Let's turn on the microwave. Look who just popped in there. Oh, come on, microwave. Yes. Look who we got out of the microwave. It's Apollo, our super pup. I'm here to make sure the Paw Patrol put on their superhero costumes because I'm totally ready to go flying. Plus, they need some more flying lessons, so come on, pups. Turn into your super pups and follow me. Woo! You heard him, Paw Patrol. Yeah, you heard me. Oh, you heard him, Paw Patrol. Let's change you guys to your superhero pups. Are you ready? Okay, let's do Chase first. Boop. You know what? Let's try to do 2 at a time. Let's try doing Chase and Sky. All right, are you ready? Boop. Start. What? Oh no. What did we just do? Oh no. Oh no. Guys, we just combined Chase and Sky. What are we supposed to do with that? I don't know how to fix this. Ah! Okay, you know what? Okay, let's just put them back in the microwave. You know what? Look, let's add rubble. Let's see what happens if we add rubble. Yeah, okay. Maybe this'll help. Ah! Oh no. What did we do now? Well, look, we got Sky back to normal. Let's just leave her over there. But look, we combined Rubble and Marshall now. What are we supposed to do with that? Oh man. Okay, you know what? Let's put Marshall, wait, we combined Rubble and Chase, okay. Let's leave them out of this for a second. Let's try putting Sky and Marshall in, and let's see if, I don't know, let's just see what happens with that. No, it happened again! We got, oh my goodness, look! We got Sky on Marshall's body. Okay, well look, now what are we supposed to do? This is 4 of our Paw Patrol all mixed together. You know what, let's just put both of them, let's just put them in the microwave. Maybe we should press a different button this time. Let's try this button. It looks like popcorn. Let's try that button. Oh my goodness, thank goodness, look. Ah! Okay, we got all of our normal Paw Patrol. Okay, we got our normal Paw Patrol here. And Sky does not want to stand up. Okay, this time let's not mix Paw Patrol. Let's just put in 1 Paw Patrol. Let's set her down in there. And let's see if we can get our super pup. Let's not do the pizza button this time though. Let's do this steak button. Look guys, we did it! We got our superhero Sky! Phew! Okay you guys, I'm gonna go catch up with Apollo. Whoosh. Thank goodness we're getting our superheroes here. Whoosh. Whoosh. Woohoo! Sky turned into a superhero, now we need to turn everyone else into superheroes. That's right, Apollo. Let's do Chase next. What? Let's do Rubble next. You ready, Rubble? We're gonna do our steak button. Look, we got Rubble as our superhero. So now we have Rubble and Sky as superheroes. Now let's put Chase in there. Let's turn Chase into a superhero. Woohoo! Look, we got Chase as a superhero. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy we have all of our normal Paw Patrol now. Okay, next up is Marshall. You ready, Marshall? Super Pup, here we come. There we go, look! Here's our Super Marshall. Oh my goodness, we only have 2 left. Should we put them together? No, let's just do one at a time so we get normal Super Pups. Woohoo! Here's our Super Pup Zuma. All right, look, we almost have all of our pups as Super Pups. The last one is Rocky. Woohoo! And we got Rocky. Now we have all of our Super Pups. Woohoo! Good job, pups, turning into Super Pups. Let's go ahead and fly off. Here goes all of our Paw Patrol. All right, everyone, that's it for this story. Let's see what happens in the next one. Let's see. Oh my goodness. No way, look. Hi guys, look at all of our fun friends we have here. And look, we have a bubble blowing Marshall. So we're gonna try to turn all of our friends into some bubbles. That sounds awesome. So okay, look, we're gonna use our bubble blowing Marshall and we're gonna turn Shine right here into some bubbles. So here's his bubbles coming out. Now let's blow them on Shine. Oh, look at what just happened. Shine totally turned into bubbles. That was awesome. Look. And there's a bubble one that blows bubbles. Look how awesome that is. Oh my goodness, how did he turn them into bubbles? So there's Shine. Oh my gosh, that was magic. So cool, Shine is all bubbles now. Okay, look, our next one is Poppy. Are we going to be able to turn Poppy into bubbles? Let's see. Oh my goodness. No way, look. We got Bubble Poppy. Look at her. It's Poppy. And when we untwist, here's our bubble wand. All our bubbles. Oh my goodness. Look, let's hit these guys with bubbles. Oh my goodness. How is he turning them into bubbles? So cool. So now we have those 2 bubbles. Good job, Marshall. You're awesome. Look at all those bubbles. Okay. Now look, let's do Chase. Oh, don't fall over, Shimmer. Okay, look, we're gonna do Chase now. Chase is right there. So let's hit him with some bubbles. Look at that! We got Chase bubbles too. Whoa. Let's take off this top and look. Bubble wand. Here, let's blow it. Oh my goodness. Look at all those bubbles. That was so cool. Look. Now we have these 3 bubbles. That was so cool. You're awesome, Marshall. Look, we have all these guys to do still. So let's do Sky now. Let's hit her with the bubbles. There we go. Look, we got Sky to turn into bubbles too. How did that even happen? Wow! Oh my goodness, look at her. Look, we got bubbles. Here, let's hit these guys over here. Look how cool these bubbles are. That is so cool that these guys have just turned into bubbles. Marshall, you're just a magic bubble pup. Okay, look, we have 3 more friends that we're gonna need to turn into bubbles. Okay, look, we have Shimmer right here with her pink hair. Shimmer's next. All right, Marshall, let's get her. Shimmer! Shimmer! Wow! No way! We got Shimmer to turn into bubbles. Oh my goodness, look, she is so pink. See, look, shimmer and shine. Look, oh. We can pull this right off. And let's hit all these guys with bubbles now. Oh my goodness, those are the coolest bubbles ever! Look at that! We're turning all of our friends into bubbles! It is so fun! Look, now we have Mickey and Minnie next. So look, let's get Mickey first. Oh my goodness! Look, Marshall, look what you did! We got Bubble Mickey! Look at it! We have Mickey bubbles! Oh, Mickey Mouse, that is so funny! How do you keep doing that? Whoop! And look, his bubble wand's connected. So let's hit all these guys. Let's do a little more. Those bubbles are so fun. I can't believe we turned Mickey into bubbles. Look, we only have one person left. This has been so fun with all these bubbles, huh, Marshall? Yeah, Marshall! Marshall bubbles! They're getting everywhere. Okay, look, we only have one friend left. Let's get Minnie. Let's put her up here. There we go. Get her! Look at all the bubbles! We covered Minnie with bubbles. Look at all the bubbles! Bubbles everywhere! Oh my goodness! Look! Oh! Look! Minnie turned into bubbles too! That was awesome! Look! She has her bubble wand there too! And look over here, let's hit Mickey! Mickey and Shimmer. Oh my goodness. That was so many bubbles for Minnie. Look at all of our friends that turned into bubbles. Let's hit all of them with bubbles again. Bubbles, Marshall, bubbles. That was so fun. Okay, say bye to Marshall and all of our bubble friends. That was so fun. Who's your favorite? I really liked Marshall. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. Please subscribe.
Time to watch more videos.